Okay guys, today I received this smoke alarm that I bought online. It is about $6, 6 USD. It is 27 ringgit in Malaysia. So I bought over from China and I just received it today. Right. So yeah, we go straight away to the smoke alarm. Right. So this smoke alarm was mentioned to be working with sonoff RF bridge, which hosts for 433 megahertz devices. So I bought this unit to make sure that it is really working with sonoff, right? So first we do unboxing on this. We'll see what we have inside. Right, this is the smoke detector. It comes with no battery. So what we have inside the box is smoke detector, quick guide manual. That's it, nothing else, right? I will read this manual and we'll explain a bit on it, right? So after I've gone through this quick installation manual, so I found out the battery can be installed down here, right? So what we should do is, if we read on and off, I don't know what is the switch. Actually there is no switch at all, but what I can say, to install the battery we have to twist the base to the on section on the left, right, to rotate it a bit, and we can take out the base, right? So this is where we should mount on our ceiling. So we have to screw this part here and we can mount it on the ceiling like this. And once we mount it on the ceiling, then only we fix this base unit on the ceiling, right? So this smoke alarm is using 9-volt battery or 6F22. So I've got this oh sorry, this is 9-volt battery, right? So we are using this 9-volt battery, and positive on the left side and negative on the right side. All right. Right, let me test. To test it, we have to press this button. Oh, it's so loud. Yes. Well, to me it is quite loud for this type of this cheap smoke alarm. Whether it is functioning or not, I don't know. I haven't tried it yet. We'll do it on the second video, but I'll do pairing this unit with sonoff bridge later. I think on the second video, but basically on the first video, the sound of the detector is quite loud. It's loud enough for me, and then this is very simple. They also mention here there is a jump code setting where we can adjust the adjustment on the second part, right? This is battery part, right? So I found out, yes, there is no jumper here, and also there is no adjustable lever here. So that means we can't actually adjust the sensitivity of the smoke detection because there is nothing inside here. You can see, right? Nothing. It should be able to adjust using Phillips screwdriver as they mentioned in the manual, but these two function isn't available with these units. I don't know why, but I'll check whether we've got this 433 megahertz function or not in this particular unit. But I'll try to pair this unit, this detector, with the sonoff bridge. Once I paired, I'll make a video. Thank you. Bye. See you on the second video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. Thanks. Bye.